Hi, I'm Jerry Nevins, President and co-founder of Upkeep Home Warranty Plus Maintenance. Like you, I've always thought home warranties were a good idea. The problem is you hear about so many issues when dealing with traditional home warranty companies. It makes you wonder, are home warranties really worth the investment? When we started Upkeep, we set out to create a different home warranty experience for homeowners just like you. Our secret sauce? Good old-fashioned customer service. Here's how we did it. First, we put together focus groups. They were consisting of area homeowners, leaders in the real estate industry, to find out what rubbed them the wrong way regarding traditional home warranties. Here's what they told us. Number one, they said dealing with subcontractors was a nightmare. They weren't reliable, it took them forever to show up, and when they finally did show up, they didn't really seem interested in resolving the claim. Also, when calling about a claim, you can never get a hold of the same person twice. Every time you call and check on your claim, you have to start all over again. Very frustrating. Here's one that'll hit home. Some of the overseas call centers were hard to understand and communicate with. Ever had that experience before? Then they told us claims were often denied because of lack of maintenance or other loopholes. This was probably one of their major issues. And finally, contracts were hard to read and understand. It seems like they were designed to come up with a reason to deny claims. So armed with all this newfound information, we set to build the best home warranty available. And here's how we did it. To address the subcontractor issue, we have all of our own full-time in-house professional maintenance technicians. They take care of your claims, maintenance, and repairs. We also have in-house full-time St. Louis-based home managers that are responsible for scheduling and assisting you through the claims process and scheduling your maintenance. No more overseas call centers, kind of like having your own home concierge. But here's the biggie. When we come out to your house 4 times a year to perform all the needed maintenance to keep your home running like new. This includes a twice-a-year clean and check on your heating and air conditioning systems. Simply put, if we do the maintenance on your home, then we can't deny the claim for lack of maintenance. In addition, we spend hours writing our contract where it'd be very transparent and easy to read. Sorry, lawyers. The end result is a home warranty that people trust and that does what it's supposed to do, save you money. I'm very proud of Upkeep. I'm proud of our people, proud of our unheard of A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and I'm proud of our numerous 5-star reviews with our customers. If you've been doing your research, then you understand that an A+ rating in the home warranty category is as rare as hen's teeth. I could talk to you all day about Upkeep, but the proof in the pudding is how our customers feel about us. And right down here, you'll find some videos of actual Upkeep clients. I hope you enjoy their stories as much as I do. Take care, and I hope to see you soon.